Okay, the next one. Consider the following statements. In 1916 Lucknow Session, presided by Ambika Charan Majumdar, A.C. Majumdar, the Lucknow Pact was signed with the Muslim League. In 1917, Calcutta Session was presided by the first female president, that is Annie Besant. Okay. C. Vijay Raghava Cheriar presided the 1920 Nagpur Session, in which the reorganization of the INC on linguistic basis happened. Okay. Formation of Swaraj Party was in 1929 at Lahore Session, presided by Nehru. Okay. We have to select the correct option. Now, when we look at all the options, we know in 1916, yes, A.C. Majumdar was the president and there was the Lucknow Pact which was signed with the Muslim League. We know this is correct. Okay. Now, in 1970, we also know that there were two female chairpersons of the Congress till 1947. Okay. And in between there was Miss Nelly in 1933. So, here Annie Besant was the first one to sit in 1917 and Sarojini Naidu was the second one to sit in 1975 as the chairman of the particular INC. So this is also correct. We are unaware of this. Okay. And the fourth one, formation of Swaraj Party was in 1929. Now, if you can recall, the Swaraj Party was formed in the end of 1922 and in the year of 1923. After the non-cooperation movement was diluted, after that, this particular this particular thing was done at that point of time. Okay. Now, this is there. So, when we talk, the formation of Swaraj Party was done in 1929. No. So, this statement is incorrect. Okay. So, if we eliminate 4, we know that first and second is correct. Okay. So, either it can be 1, that is A, either it can be C. Okay. However, the UPSC, it has asked 2 questions of the 1920 session of the INC. Okay, two questions have been asked of the INC session of 1920 by the UPSC. So that is why here in the 1920, looking at the developments, the INC, it had done the linguistic reorganization, means it had also started the regional level wards for the INC, so that the INC could even reach the regional areas. All right. So the third one is also correct. So the answer is 1, 2, and 3, C. So you just have to think a little. The next one is, consider the following statements. In 1929, the Lahore Session, it was presided by Jawaharlal Nehru, which passed the Purna Swaraj resolution and declared 26 January 1930 as the Independence Day. Okay. In 1931, the Karachi Session, it was presided by Sri Vallabhbhai Patel and it endorsed the Gandhi-Irwin Pact and passed the resolutions on fundamental rights. Okay. The 1938 Haripura Session, presided by Subhash Chandra Bose, established the National Planning Commission. So which one is correct? Now, if you look at the answer, okay, here we have to find the correct ones. So in 1929, there was the Lahore Session, you are aware of it, and in the session, there was the establishment of Purna Swaraj that was done at that point of time. Okay, and Jawaharlal Nehru was the chairman of the INC at that point of time, and it was declared that on 26 January we are going to celebrate the first Independence Day. So the first statement is correct. Then after that, civil disobedience was launched. Then a year passed, Gandhi-Irwin Pact happened, and a special session was conducted in Karachi in the month of March 1931, where the Gandhi-Irwin Pact, also known as the Delhi Pact, it was accepted, endorsed, and along with that, various resolutions were passed on fundamental rights and national economic program. And here this is also correct. Now in 1938, Haripura Session, presided by Subhash Chandra Bose, established the National Planning Committee. Now if you can refer to the economic planning in the pre-independent India. So here the National Planning Committee, it was created under the chairmanship of Subhash Chandra Bose, and Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose, they are going to take care of this particular committee. So here all the 3 statements are going to be correct. That is, option is D. So these are factual things. Okay, these are factual things.